Fáilte go dtí an Isha, welcome to this video. If you would like to learn 4 easy Irish language phrases that you can use every single day, whether you're a beginner or an Irish person that would love a fresh start, this video is for you. These 4 phrases are going to be 4 phrases you can use right now or at least every single day, if not every single week. So by the end of this video, you're going to be able to say, I am cold, it is cold, I am hot, and it is hot. And obviously these are 4 very simple sentences, but you use these sentences in your first language all of the time. So Araiglan, on we go, and let's see how you get on with the pronunciation, with the sentences, and you're going to get a chance throughout this video to actually say them out loud as well. So it is in Irish is tá, shay. Pronunciation, this is the phonetics here, tá, shay. Tá, shay is it is. Now in Irish we have our verb first, so this is am or is in this case, and then shay means it, or it can mean he. So it is can actually mean he is as well. Tá, shay. So it is tá, shay. Can you now say it is oscuilge in Irish? Tá, shay. Ítach, brilliant. Cold in Irish is fuar. Foor. And you can just focus on the phonetics if this looks confusing. In the beginner course, I do break down pronunciation for you, so that's easy to understand. But cold is foor, pronounced foor. Can you now say cold in Irish? Foor. Ítach. So it is cold in Irish is tá, shay, foor. Tá, shay, foor. And then quickly be tá sé foor. It is cold. Can you now say it is cold oscuilge? Tá sé foor. Ítach. I am then in Irish is tá mé. So remember, tá is the verb be, to be in the present, so it means am or is depending on the sentence, and then mé is me or I. So it's am I is the structure in Irish, but tá mé means I am. Tá mé. May pronounced like the month of May. Can you now say I am in Irish? Tá mé. So then I am cold is tá mé foor. Tá mé foor. I am cold. Can you now say I am cold in Irish? Tá mé foor. Ítach. Hot in Irish is te. Te. I will say also in the beginner course, I do actually break down the vocab into the 3 dialects, just 3 main dialects of Irish, but then we always move ahead with one dialect just so it's not confusing. So this would be how it's pronounced in Munster, te, hot. Can you now say hot in Irish? Te. Ítach. So it is hot then is tá, shay, te. Tá, shay, te. And quickly be tá sé te. It is hot. Can you now say in Irish, it is hot? Tá sé te. Come on, good. So I am hot then is switching shay with may, with I. Tá mé te. Tá mé te. I am hot. Tá mé te. Can you now say I am hot oscuilge? Tá mé te. Ítach. So looking at the grammar breakdown then, which I usually go through after I've taught the phrases in the course, we have a very simple sentence structure in Irish where we have our verb that comes first in Irish. This is the opposite to English. In English, the subject comes first. We say I am, but in Irish we use the verb first. So tá, the am comes first, followed by the subject, followed by the adjective. In this case, we have verb, subject, adjective. Tá mé fuar. And then to swap out the me, with shay means it is or he is cold. So in this lesson, you've learned foor for cold, te for hot, shay for it, and you've also learned me for me. I forgot to put that in there. And then the phrases you learned was tá mé fuar, I am cold, tá sé fuar, it is cold, tá mé te, I am hot, and tá sé te, it is hot. And in the course as well, you'd always get these as a downloadable phrase cards and a workbook as well. So you always have them like printed as well as digitally. Right now, but only until Sunday the 9th of August, unfortunately, the Irish for Complete Beginners course is 50% off because it's just launched. It teaches practical Irish like this that you can actually use every single day. So rather than studying Irish for years or doing it on an app for years and years, but not being able to actually say anything practically, this course fills that gap where you can actually use the language as a real language and not just a school subject. So check out that link below, and even if this is after August 9, check out the link below to see what deal I have for the Irish course. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know if you're a complete beginner, how you found it, and also let me know if you're Irish, how you found this. Agus slán go fóill, bye for now.